Hey everyone, in today's session, we are going to dive in optimizing YouTube ad campaigns. We will delve into the art of patience, optimizing profits, and scaling your campaigns effectively. So, grab a notepad because we have a lot to cover. Let us start by understanding how to exercise patience when it comes to YouTube ads. Unlike Facebook ads, YouTube ads tend to start slow, but when they take off, it is like a rocket launch. The key here is not to rush to judgment. So, how long should you let your YouTube ads run? A general rule of thumb is to avoid making any significant decisions until your ad account has spent at least 4 times your target CPA, cost per acquisition. If, for instance, your target CPA is $5, resist the urge to check your campaign until it is spent at least $20. Major decisions can wait until you have reached around $30 in ad spend. The essence of YouTube advertising lies in assessing performance over multiple days, if not more, before making informed decisions. Now, let us talk about when and how to make critical decisions about your YouTube ad campaigns. If you are achieving an ROI, return on investment, greater than 0.8 for a brand new ad account, it is a strong indicator that you should let it run. ROI measures how much money you make compared to what you have spent. To put it into perspective, if each subscriber on your email list is worth $5 and you can acquire emails for $6, you might not be making a massive profit, but you are on the right path. Remember, as your ad account matures, your conversion costs typically decrease. So, if you are close to breaking even, consider letting it run. If it is making a profit, even better, you should aim for a ROAS, return on ad spend, that is greater than 1, and ideally much higher. Now, let us explore the art of scaling your YouTube ad campaigns. It is a critical phase in your marketing journey, one that requires careful planning and a solid foundation. Rushing into scaling can be a recipe for disaster. So, before you even contemplating scaling, it is imperative that you have multiple campaigns in place that are consistently delivering a positive return on investment or return on ad spend. This financial stability is your launchpad for future growth. When you are confident that your campaigns are in good shape and you are ready to take them to the next level, you'll be faced with 2 primary strategies: vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling entails increasing the budget for your top performing campaigns. However, it is crucial to recognize that each campaign has its upper limit, and pushing too hard might lead to a performance plateau. On the other hand, horizontal scaling is all about discovering new and top audiences to prevent overexposing your current ones. The ideal approach often involves finding a harmonious balance between both vertical and horizontal scaling strategies. Now, the big question is, should you prioritize vertical or horizontal scaling? And how should you allocate your budget to achieve the best results? Unfortunately, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the decision largely depends on the unique circumstances of your business and the specific goals you have set. It is a complex puzzle with a solution that is tailored to your individual needs. That brings us to the end of this extensive YouTube Ads Masterclass. We hope you have found this deep dive into YouTube advertising valuable and insightful. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to keep delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you in our next video.